Good morning and welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. I'm Sam.
I'm Emmy.
And today we're gonna draw a
Valentine's dog!
Perfect, let's go, Emmy.
Okay.
So teach me how to draw this Valentine's dog.
So first we're gonna start with the nose. It's gonna be like a triangle, but the sides are not gonna be real corners. It's gonna be...
And the triangle is pointing down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna maybe color it in. Because now it's black. And now we're gonna do circle around, or oval, because it's not a circle, it's almost a circle. For the mouth, we're gonna do a V. Now for the eyes, you do like a rainbow shape and another rainbow shape on the other eyes side. And you color it in. Okay, so now you're gonna do a big, maybe circle. Big circle around all these things. Then, okay, now the ear, so we're gonna do a C, but not so curved. Then another C. And you do the same thing on the other side. And so he has a little bit like a tiny line in it. So you do the same bar in this one, a little bit shorter. And now for the second one, you do the same thing. Okay, so next we're gonna draw the heart that he's holding in his hand. I'll draw a big heart. Big heart that maybe almost touch his chin. Now you're for the hands, gonna do a big rainbow, a big C. Come back.
Okay.
Do the same thing on the other side.
I'll do it slightly different on my side because my heart is too low, so I did the arms going down, but
Yeah.
like you did, I think it's great.
And then you're gonna draw a line, 2 lines on each side.
For his leg.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw a U and connect it to the heart. And then another U and connect it to the heart. And because under his feet he has a different color, we're gonna do like a curve. A little curve like this. Okay. And
Oh, the eyebrows maybe?
yeah.
Just,
I'm not gonna put eyebrows.
oh, okay. Do like that.
Yeah. And we're done.
Good, so now we need to
Color it.
Let's go.
Okay. So to color it, we're gonna use a brown, a light brown, a red for the heart, and a yellow for like his nose.
The face, nose, and the feet.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with the yellow.
Okay.
And for this part, we're gonna fast it up.
Yeah, fast forward.
Yeah. Finish.
Nice. So I did like this white. It's to, you know, when you have light, you have some reflection. So I thought it was a good idea, so I did it. But you didn't do it, but it's no problem. So now we want to sign it and to put the date, at least a year, so that when you will be grown up, it will be a nice souvenir.
Yeah.
And here we go, Valentine's dog.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. Hit the bell button so that you can receive a notification when we post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye.